Welcome to Make Money and Save Money with Sharon. Today, we're diving into a game-changing platform that's about to transform your financial journey. As I navigate through the ATM app on atm.com, you'll get an inside look into this extraordinary blend of technology and finance, crafted to empower financial independence and boost financial growth. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, so they too can benefit. The ATM app, which you'll see me using throughout this video, is a digital initiative designed to promote financial literacy and self-sufficiency. The app cleverly integrates the fun and excitement of online gaming with the substantial benefits of real-world investments. Throughout the video, you'll see examples of how users can earn money via a diverse range of activities, such as completing surveys and playing games. What truly differentiates the ATM app, and you'll see this as I use it, is its groundbreaking approach to investments. The app creators ingeniously developed a mechanism allowing you to invest money without jeopardizing your hard-earned capital. You'll watch as I accumulate funds through task completion and then use that to invest right within the app. The question is, how exactly does this unique idea work? As I demonstrate the ATM app in the video, you are free to follow along. Simply click on the link provided in the description box or head over to atm.com and start your journey towards financial self-reliance alongside your family and friends. The sign-up is a breeze and it won't cost you a dime. Indeed, it's totally free to join and start earning. After joining, I'll guide you on how to explore the app's myriad tasks. You'll witness how the funds in your account grow and how to make investments. This enlightening journey is one to share with family and crucial. I'm always eager to hear your thoughts on my presentation of the ATM app and how it's revolutionized your journey towards financial freedom. After trying it out, remember to like this video, share with family and friends, comment on your experiences, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Your insights are not just welcome, they're eagerly awaited. They help shape the content of my videos, so don't shy away from sharing your thoughts. As we progress, I strongly encourage you to check my other videos for more ideas on making and saving money. Together with the ATM app, I share tips and tricks to supercharge your financial journey. Join me as we explore the captivating world demonstration at a time. Thank you for tuning in. And let's dive into these happy rewards with the ATM app at atm.com, And remember, sharing is caring, so share this video with your family and friends.